Hi, and welcome to today's episode of 3 Things You Can Do in Sheffield. So today I'm here at Graves Animal Park, so let's take a look and see what animals we can find today. So as always, you've got the obligatory sheep. The animal park itself has a fair few different types of animals, from cattle, llamas, goat, deer, and obviously there's things like chickens, which I'll take photos of everything they've got. And you can also even purchase things like eggs, and every animal that is here you are able to purchase. So if you're in need of a goat, here's a place to come to. If you need an environmentally friendly lawnmower. So do enjoy these photos, and I'm not going to talk much in this video because there's lots of kids around playing and there'll be just too much noise. So I'll leave you with some music and the photos of Graves Animal Park.
Selfish, I am flawed, but I can love. And so I wear this smile fit for the place above. You know me, the truth gets heavier every night. I promise I'll be the one if you help me win this fight. Stay there with me. Will you stay with me in the dark? Will you stay with me in the dark, the dark, the dark, the dark? I don't care if you drag my name all through the mud. Heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. With lips like heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. With lips like heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. With lips like heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. Will you
just a quick look round the Graves Animal Park here in Sheffield. It's totally free to look round. If you want to purchase animal food, you can do so to feed the animals. So all that I've got left to say is look after yourselves, take care and talk laters.